Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that Arteza sent me to try out and kind of review and see what I thought about them. The first one is this pencil case, and it is absolutely beautiful. I think it looks like paint's been slung all over it. I like that look. It's got a pocket on the outside that snaps with Velcro, that hooks up with Velcro. It's got a double zipper on it. And it's got a handle right here that you can carry it by. So, open this up and see what's inside here. Ooh, sorry about the clanking. So, this has little stretchy material in here that you can put pencils underneath. Just slide my pen down in there and you can see that. So, it holds your pens and pencils and things really nice. Let's see if it'll hold these markers. It's one of the Arteza Everblend markers. Oh yeah, it holds that great. It's pretty tight, so it holds it well. But it's really made for your pencils. So these are also the colored pencils that they sent me. This is their 120 pack. They just got this one in and started selling the big one. I have the smaller one, but I don't have the 120 pack. These are 4mm lead, break resistant, blendable, acid-free, artist quality. So let's open this up. Oh, I like that. It has all of the, let's slide this over so you can see it. It has all of the colors and everything right here. I like that. That's in the box. And then here are their pencils. I like that they don't sharpen them too sharp, because if a pencil is sharpened way too sharp when you start using it, the tip's going to break off. So they do that intentionally. They don't sharpen them too much. And let's slide it down in here. Oh yeah, that works great. Look at that. You could probably put 2 pencils, or maybe 3 in one. Let's see. You can put 2 in there. Let's see if 3 will go in there. 3 will go in each one of those. That's neat. So you can put your colors together and put them in here. That is really nice. I like that. So this is a good carrying case for your pencils. These tins are really nice too, but if you carry your pencils a lot with you when you're traveling, that kind of thing, this is an ideal thing to have. And like I said, they are fantastic. They're made really good. They're heavy quality. So I like this. All in all, I will use it. I will definitely use it. So let me put these back up. See if I can put them back in the same order that they were. I am going to link these products below. Like I said, this is the 120 pack of colored pencils. They're the 4mm lead. I use their other colored pencils and I absolutely love them. Now I have colored pencils from different companies. And I will have to say, and I'm not saying this because they sent me this product. I tell them when they send me a product, if I don't like it, I'll let people know I don't like it. But I use their colored pencils more than anybody else's. They're smoother. They blend better. You don't have to press on them so hard. I have arthritis in my hands, so I can't press on a pencil really hard. Theirs, you don't have to press on hard. It's very smooth going on. I love them. I use them all the time. And I will be doing some videos using these coming up very shortly with some things that I want to color up. So I'll show you those. But I just wanted to show you this today, what they had sent me. And if you're interested in any of these products, any of the products from Arteza, I use just about all of their products. I love their canvases. I have tons and tons of those. And I use them all the time. But if you're interested in any of their product, the link will be below for these as well as more. And you can use my discount code. That will be below as well to get an additional 10% off. A lot of times they'll already have sale on these. And I think this is already on sale today. But then you can use my discount code and get another 10% off. Okay, that is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this. And we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.